A question we get asked a lot is, why does Kinghitter use a lift ram and cable system for the hammer? There's plenty of reasons for this, so let's run through a few of them. So one of the first considerations with drop hammer post drivers is the hammer speed. Having the hydraulic ram and the cable and the pulley system means there is a 6:1 ratio between the speed the ram is going to what the hammer is doing. This allows the hammer to travel faster than before. Another feature is that because of that multiplication, we can get the hammer doing a bigger stroke, which not only gives it more time to fall and gain speed, but we can also get a taller mast, such as this one, to get taller posts. Another feature of the lift ram system is what we like to call eye hydraulics. So what it is the oil can travel from one side of the ram to the other. So rather than just having a single acting lift ram, there's a double acting system, and the oil travels in a cycle back to the other end of the ram when you drop the hammer. This means we don't have a high flow dump to your tractor, and once again it's all about speeding your hammer up, reducing the amount of oil being pushed around, which reduces oil temperature, and it's better for your tractor overall. Another cool thing is that all your vibration and shock that is produced when the hammer hits the post is held by the mast, and it's not transferred through the cable to the lift ram or vital componentry. This means the lift ram is incredibly reliable. It's not overstressed from travelling too fast. We don't have any issues with seals or damage. A question we get is, how long does a cable last? There's no real accurate answer for this because it depends on how much you use it. But as a round figure, a fencing contractor, say using it every day, all day, every day, would expect to get 12 months from the cable. A farmer who uses only a couple months a year, probably get 10, 20 years. So the latest system we use is far superior to old cable systems in the past. With that new hydraulic system, we've managed to limit the amount of whip on the cable. Once the hammer stops, the ram stops, and this doesn't go loose. So it stays tight, it's not whipping all over the place, so it's much safer, faster to use machine, and it's all about getting your cycle times as fast as possible. In summary, the hydraulic lift ram and cable system is designed to increase your hammer driving force and speed to get more posts on the ground every day. As well as that, reduced stress on the lift ram system means you get a more reliable machine for less downtime on the fence line. It's just another part of what makes Kinghitter post drivers the best in the business.